2 screws. We kind of broke this whole thing, but we're gonna try to fix it in a little bit. But take this part off, so now it's off. There's little clips here, which I think holds the amber. So I'm just tapping this out. Basically, I don't care about it, so if I break it, I break it. There you go. So now we don't have it. So now this is the housing. We're gonna try to put the housing back. We're gonna try to clean these parts out that broke off a little bit, and then go from there. I think I have an idea what to do too. Alrighty, thank you.
So we didn't bake the light housing to remove the casing. We used a heat gun and slowly and patiently pried it open, in turn breaking the actual soft plastic parts. We feared that if we baked it, it would melt into the housing. We just taped around the cracked parts, and when you close the hood and all that stuff, you don't really see it. But it did take 6 hours to do, because we patiently tried not to break the whole headlight housing in general. It was what we thought it would be. Painstaking. We did it on our 2015 Honda Civic Si a couple years back, and we like the clean look, so that's what we basically did to complete this project. So it has the LED daylight running lamps. That's the connection there. That's where the old amber headlight is, and we took that part. Those are the soft plastic pieces. We did like everything about what we did. We taped up that part, took some of the adhesive part, and in the video you'll see little still shots of, using a Phillips screwdriver. There's the piece of the amber that looks ridiculous to me, and that's why we took it off. We'll probably never do this again. So when we sealed it up with the original adhesive, and actually, did a few modifications to it so it doesn't condensate or anything like that. We like the look of it. We use switchback lights that my son got me, and I like it. Thanks, like, subscribe, and to see more videos. Thanks.